Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Manan and I am going to present my project. This is LCD, which is basically used to display data on screen. It will display the voltage measured by Arduino. This is Arduino Omega, which is heart of the project. It sends data and displays on LCD. Here I also used digital multimeter. It measures the voltage which we are going to apply to the Arduino, and you can see that our voltage is very identical to the reading of multimeter. There is minor difference in the second decimal place. I tested it for two ranges. First range applied voltage is 0 to 5 volt, and you can see that there is accurate value. Now I shift the voltage to the second range, which is 0 to 45 volt, but unfortunately I don't have 45 volt source, therefore I am applying 29 volt here. So I have fixed 29 volt power supply, and now I am applying here. You can see reading is very identical on the screen to the applied voltage as on multimeter. There is a small difference in second decimal place, otherwise reading is very identical. So in this way I calibrated and displayed the results of my digital multimeter. Thank you.